Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a backup of emails in Outlook. Before we start, it's important to know that you cannot back up emails using the Outlook web version, only in the desktop version, either in the new version or the classic version. So once you install the desktop version, go ahead and open it and you're good to go. Let's start with the new Outlook version. Go to the File tab on the top and click Open and Export. Go to the Export tab. Unfortunately, we need a subscription account. Basically, the process is it will ask you which folder you want to back up. For example, Inbox, Drafts, Archives, or etc. Then, you're going to choose if you want to handle duplicate files and select the time range or choose to export all emails. After which, it will ask you which computer folder you want to add the backup file to. When you press OK on the last part, it will ask you to set a password. You can also skip that, then just proceed to exporting the file. Wait for it to process, and if you go to the computer folder you added the backup file to, you'll find a .psg file that will contain all of your email backup. Now, let's proceed to the classic version. On the classic version, it's technically the same process. Go to the File tab, open and export, and choose Import/Export here. Choose Export to File, and choose Outlook Data File.psd. Click Next. Here, it will ask you which folder you would like to export. Again, an Inbox, Drafts, Archives, Deleted Items, or etc. Let's choose Inbox, include some folders as well. Click on Next. It will ask you which computer folder you would like to add the backup file to. Let's say I've created a new folder in my downloads and click on OK to export. There we go. Now, do we want to replace the duplicates with exported items, allow the duplicated items to be created, or do not export duplicate items? Choose either one, then click on Finish. The last part, the same process on the new Outlook version, it will ask you if you want to add a password. For example, I would like to add a password 123, verify the password, and click on OK. It will verify the password that you added. Type it in again, then click OK again. So once finished, go to the computer folder where you saved the file and you'll see the backup file that you exported right here, Inbox Backup. Again, that file contains all of the emails from the folder you backed up. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.